Okay, now all I'm gonna do is undo those screws, remember? I've got a small shower here. I'm trying to resituate stuff. I'll do that. Okay, remember on the hot side, I got the handle down. The hot side was 2.5 turns. Okay, there's half, there's 1.5, 2.5. I'm not quite sure. I might have to ask at the wholesale house next time I order these, when I go back and order these. Say, hey, what's the deal with these screws? Because I don't know. It should be to where if you unscrew it any further, there should have a definite stop point on it, you know, but so that you can't undo the screw. If you undo the screw's going to come out and blow, and all your water's going to blow, and then you're going to have to run outside, find the water valve and all that. You know what I mean? And so I'm not going to take a chance, but if your water is running slow, you can always maybe try to tweak one of these screws, back it off. I had my aunt one time, they had just put in a new shower. She hadn't used it for like 6 months. Then my cousin, her son, came over there to use it, and he couldn't use it. He said, what's the deal? Nobody, you know, even when the installers installed everything, they didn't turn the screws on. And so we took everything off. It was a little bit different than this, but same kind of thing. We took everything off. I backed the screw out, you know, 2 or 3 times on both sides, holding my breath that the threads aren't going to pull out. And then we checked the water. It seemed to have enough pressure. Hot and cold water was working. It was fine. Oh, I remember what it was. The cold water worked. Their hot water wasn't on. And so the guy, whoever installed it, they undid the screw for the cold water, but they didn't unscrew the hot water screw. So I undid that a little bit. It seemed to have enough pressure. There was hot water. She was all concerned that the hot water heater was out or something else was out inside the wall, whatever. But we got it. Okay, enough of that. That might give you a tip. Okay, so 3 on this side, remember? There's 1. And these are like half turns. 2, 3, and I'm just gonna leave it right there. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. It was fine before. All right, let's try this out. No funny business, no tricks. I'm gonna turn that handle, hold my breath. Now, obviously, we don't have any drip, do we? Look, there's no drip. Now, granted, if it was dripping a little bit, this whole pipe would have to fill up all the way up to here before it would come out. So the real test is turning this water on and seeing what happens. Here we go. Okay, hold my breath. In fact, I'm going to put the handle on just so I can control it. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Obviously, I mean, the shower was working like this before. Now comes the time, is it going to shut off? So I'm sure it's going to. I'm not even concerned about it. Here we go. Kaboom. Look at that. Joe is being a plumber today. Oh yeah. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more